Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have IANN DIOR here with a song called House on Fire. So this is one of the better IANN DIOR songs here, in my opinion, and it's very guitar friendly. That's the best thing about this song here. So let's take a look at House on Fire. So no need for any capo. We have four very common chords here to handle, easy picking pattern and strumming pattern, so that's great. Let's take a look at the four chords. So we have first the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the next chord, the F. So that is bar chord here. You place the bar, index finger on the first fret here, and you bar all strings there. And then you have the A, third fret, the D, third fret, and the G, second fret. All right, we have the next C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. So you're gonna play open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so that is the chord progression from the beginning till the very end of the song. So we're gonna handle two different techniques there. First, the picking patterns we're gonna use, and that's the main thing of the main part of this song here. And then we're gonna combine that with a strumming pattern that really kicks in about 2 minutes and 23 seconds into the song. At the chorus play there. We're gonna come to that, but first the picking patterns. We're gonna look at this chord by chord and look at how we're gonna play the notes. So starting off with the A minor, it goes like this. All right, so that is, if you hold the chord as it is, open A, second D, second G, and then comes this part. So what you do here is you're gonna play the open B and then hammer on the first B. So, and you hammer on there, so. All right, so I play the open B, and then with the index finger, you hammer on the first B, and then you continue with second G and second D. So the part goes like this, slowly. Right? And then you go over to the next chord, the F, and you hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this part. So the patterns here, it will be very much the same here. You're gonna play the first fret E string, then third D, second G, first B, second G, and third D. So, slowly. Then we have the next chord, the C. It's played in the exact same way as the A minor. So you hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, and then the same technique here. You're gonna play the open B and hammer on to get the first B, and then back to open G and second D. And then we have the last chord here, the E, and that will be played the exact same way as the F when it comes to the pattern here. You're gonna play. So that is open E, second D, first G, open B, first G, and second D. Alright, so there you have the full melody. You can actually play this from the beginning till the very end. I'm gonna give you one round slowly and then one round in standard tempo. Let's go. right, guys, so couldn't hold myself there. I played 3 or so. It's that good. So that is how I play the melody. Like I said, you can go on from the beginning till the very end, but you can also switch it up. And like I mentioned, a strumming pattern that comes in at about 2 minutes and 23 seconds into the song with that chord starting there. And it's very easy. If you grab the first chord, the A minor, one round will be down, 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 clap, down, down. All right, so 3 downs, then a clap, and then 2 downs. And you're gonna play one of these rounds per chord. So round around is, all right, so down, 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 clap, down, down, and then you switch to the next chord and play the same. So with that said, you're gonna play 1 round per chord in that same order, A minor, F, C, and E, and that gives you this. And then you can switch it up with Alright guys, so play around with it. You have all the tools, the notes, and the strumming pattern that covers Ian DIOR's House on Fire. Feel free to support me here on Chord Guitar. I do my best to help you, give you the great music that comes out, and also your own wishes there on Wednesdays. So yeah, feel free to support me on Chord Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.